ታዳጊ ሴቶች በኮምፒውተርና በሳይንስ ረገድ በብቃት ማንኛውንም ፕሮጀክት መቅረጽ ይችላሉ ብሎ የተነሳው የአሜሪካ ኤምባሲ ከተማችን አዲስ አበባ ላይ ካሉ ትምህርት ቤቶች አወዳድሮ 40 ሴቶችን የኮምፒውተር ኮዲንግና ተያያዥ እውቀትን ለማስጨበጥ 10 ትምህርት ቤቶችን አሳትፏል። በዚህ ፕሮጀክት ላይ እየሰሩ የሚገኙት አቶ ሙሉጌታ አሰፋ ሴቶች ማንኛውንም ነገር መስራት ይችላሉ፣ ይህንን ለማሳወቅና ለማረጋገጥ ደግሞ ከዚህ ስልጠና በላይ አለ ብዬ አላምንም ሲሉ ተናግረዋል።
I am honored to have been invited to speak on this wonderful occasion as a coordinator of Girls Can Code project and representing my organization, the Wider Net project at the University of North Carolina chapter here. The Girls Can Code program teaches girls coding skills through computer and science, technology, engineering and math, or STEM, going to inspire and prepare them to college and to close the gender gap in technology and science. As is well known, the skill working in the IT field, including programming, will be very sellable skill way forward.
40 ታዳጊ ሴቶች ከሚያሰለጥኑት ወጣቶች መካከል ኤደን ቢነጋና ቤተልሔም ደሴ ተጠቃሾች ናቸው። ኤደን ቢነጋ የ19 ዓመት ወጣት ስትሆን በተክለ ብርሃን ኮንስትራክሽን ተለማማቹና እየሰራች ትገኛለች። ቤተልሔም ደሴ የ16 ዓመት ታዳጊ ስትሆን ኮዲንግ የጀመረችው በ10 ዓመቷ ነበር። ቤተልሔም የራሷ ዌብሳይትን ለመገንባት ትሰራ እንደነበር የተናገረች ሲሆን የቀድሞ ጠቅላይ ሚኒስትር መለስ ዜናዊን ካገኘቻቸው በኋላ ከሐረር ቀጥታ ወደ አዲስ አበባ አምጥተዋት ኢንሳ ገብታ እንድትለማመድ ማድረጋቸውንም ተናግራለች። ሁለቱ ታዳጊ አስተማሪዎች ስለ ሴቷ መብቃት ይህንን ይላሉ።
STEM, that is science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. Of course, I'm still an engineering student, so there's no way we can talk about engineering. But in science and technology, since when I was a kid, I usually spend my time playing with hardware materials and then softwares, and then besides that, touching some electricity, like wires, not the exact extreme. So when I was in grade 11 in 12, I have made, it's not kind of an innovation, it's a material that exists nowadays, but I just make it simple and then try to make a grinder which could work for the rural areas. It's grinding starting from wheat and then to the asphalt. So I got a recognition from our current Prime Minister, Hailemariam Desalegn, and I got awarded a silver medal and also a national certificate. Besides that, I got a chance to meet a bunch of international technologies, I can say. The founder of a Microsoft company, Bill Gates. I got a chance to meet him. And also John Green, the author of The Fault in Our Stars. I met them last year and we've discussed about STEM and how could engineers, especially girls, women engineers, could be part of the developing countries and then try to make the developing countries to a developed countries, to be in a row of developing countries. Besides that, I used to work with the Ethiopian Tax and Revenue Authority. Those are some of my experiences, but you will be so excited to hear about Beatty because she's really amazing.
I got a guy who gave me a book about HTML and VB, which we'll be learning in a few days. So I started coding and learning. My first motive was to design my own website, so I started doing that. And in that time, I met our late Prime Minister, Melez Zenawi, and then I was sponsored to come here to Addis and to have a training here in a government agency called INSA, which is known as Information Network Security Agency. I was there for 2 years. I worked on development and also different aspects. I also had mentors there. So after that, I went to Technomobile, and then I started mobile application development and also advising for other developers at the moment. I also worked with the Addis Ababa ICT, which I had, there was an anniversary of the city of the 125th anniversary of the city, which I built the website together. And then I was traveling, so I went to Bahar Dar. In Bahar Dar, I started working on virtual laboratories. here in Ethiopia, we have access to different laboratories, but much more than that, they can access also the virtual laboratory. They can access the virtual laboratory. So we built a virtual laboratory that they can use on their computers. So it was actually sent by the Ministry of Education and also the Regional Education Bureau, which is now in the pilot phase of the project. And I also was a trainer in Barda University, STEM Center. We have a STEM Center there. And also I implemented the digital library there in Barda University, and also a document management system.
አምባሳደር ፓትሪሻ ሀስላክ በኔ ጊዜ ሴት ነሽ ይህን ነገር ማድረጋችሁ ይመባል ነበር ያሉ ሲሆን በአሁኑ ጊዜ እናንተን በማየት የተደነቅያለሁ ብለዋል። አምባሳደሯም በተጨማሪ ይህንን ይናገራሉ።
Computer coding and other aspects to support your development in the important STEM areas of science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. I wish I could sign up for this course. When I was a young girl, even in my day, they used to say, oh, you're a girl, you're not interested in mathematics, you're not interested in science. So it's really inspiring for me to see so many young women who are getting into the field. You might ask why we think this type of program is important. Well, I can give you many other different reasons. Firstly, the theme selected for this year's International Day of the Girl was the power of the adolescent girl, Vision for 2030. Adolescent girls everywhere in the world have the right to a safe, educated, and healthy life, not only during these critical formative years, but also as they mature into women. If effectively supported and encouraged during their adolescent years with programs such as GCC, girls have the potential to change the world, both as the empowered girls of today and as tomorrow's entrepreneurs, mentors, mothers, household leaders, ambassadors, and political leaders. An investment in the power of adolescent girls upholds their rights today and promises a more equitable and prosperous future, one in which half of humanity is an equal partner in solving the problems of climate change, political conflict, economic growth, disease prevention, and global sustainability. In the United States, we completely agree. During her tenure as Secretary of State, Hillary Clinton stated that no society can achieve its full potential when half the population is denied the opportunity to achieve theirs. And I think you also heard President Obama when he was here, he put it in a more sort of a sports metaphor when he said, who would ever put half the team out on the soccer field? Well, so sort of having all the girls sitting on the bench, not a good idea. So anyway, we know the opening the door for women and girls to educational opportunities leads to more choices and to more opportunities, as we can see here. As the U.S. Ambassador, I continue to be personally committed to work on issues related to girls' education and women's empowerment while I am here in Ethiopia.
የአዲስ ከተማዋ ጎበዝ ተማሪ የአብስራ ተስፋዬ ሂሳብ ከባድ ነው ይባላል፣ ነገር ግን የአእምሮ ጨዋታ መሆኑን እወቁ ስትል ትናገራለች።
Math is supposed to be the most difficult subject in our class, yeah? Math is supposed to be the most difficult thing that some students say that. But I think it's just a mind game. If you think it is difficult, it will come difficult. If you think it's easy, it will be easy. If you think math as climbing the Mount Everest, it will be as hard as climbing the Mount Everest. It will not be easy for you. So I think we should all take everything to be easy and just try it. We can experience it and see for ourselves how easy it is.
የአዲስ ከተማ ፕሪፓራቶሪ ትምህርት ቤት 7 የሚሆኑ ተማሪዎችን ያስመረጠ ሲሆን ድሬቲዩብም አነጋግሯቸዋል።
እዚህ ደረስነው በመጀመሪያ የትምህርት ቤታችን 10 ተማሪ ከ10 ትምህርት ቤት እንድንመጣ ተደረገ። በመጀመሪያ እዚህ በመጣንበት ቀን ፈተና እንድንፈተን ተደረገ። ፈተናችን ኢሲ ራይቲንግ፣ አይሲቲ፣ አይኪው፣ ፈን ፋክትስ፣ ማትማቲክስ እና ኢንግሊሽን ያካተተ ነበረ። ፈተናችንን ተፈትነን ከትምህርት ቤታችን እንደምታዩት 7 ተማሪዎች አልፈን መተናል። ያብስራ ደግሞ በማዕከላችን ያለችው ከትምህርት ቤቱ ብቻ ሳይሆን ከኤምባሲው አንደኛ ወይም ትልቁን ውጤት ያስመዘገበችው ነች።
ኤልሳቤት ይማን እባላለሁ። የመጣሁት ከአዲስ ከተማ ፕሪፓራቶሪ ስኩል ነው። የመጣንበት ዋና ዓላማ ገርልስ ካን ኮድ በሚለው በተካተተው መሰረት እኛ ተወዳድረን አሸንፈን ወደዚህ የተላክን ልጆች ነን። ዛሬ በተዘጋጀው ፕሮግራም ላይ ያው ለዚህ ኢንተርቪው የተጋበዝንበት ሪዝንም ዋና ይሄ ነው። ያው አብስራችን ማለት የኛ ሞዴላችን ናት። አንደኛ ወጥታ እኛን ማኩርታናለች፣ ኮርተንባታል። እኛም በውጤታችን እንደምንኮራ ወደፊትም በዚህ ፕሮግራም በተካተተው ፕሮግራም ጥሩ እውቀት እንደምናገኝ አስባለሁ። አመሰግናለሁ።
ስሜ ቤተልሔም ጌታነው ይባላል። የመጣሁት ከአዲስ ከተማ ፕሪፓራቶሪ ስኩል ነው እና ጓደኞቼ እንዳሉት የመጣንበት ምክንያት ዛሬ ጂሲሲ በሚባለው ፕሮግራም ላይ ተወዳድረን ከ10 ሴቶች ከኛ ትምህርት ቤት 7 ሴቶች አልፈን ነው እና በሳይንስ በአይሲቲ እና በኮምፒውተር ቴክኖሎጂዎች ሴቶች ብዙ ተሳታፊ አይደሉም እና ግን እኛ ለዚህ ድል ተመረጣችን ደስ ብሎኛል እና በጓደኞቼ በጣም ኮርቻለሁ።
ይህ ፕሮጀክት በክልል ከተሞች እንደሚቀጥልም በመድረኩ ላይ ተነግሯል።
Everyone put your hand up and show how excited you are. Everybody, yes. You set the next highlight. Girl power. Thank you, Ambassador.